Values that are created internally among the people that are part of an organization is what makes values strong and persistent.
Tell us about your company values. What are the three values?
The values, and I believe this is important for all companies, for any enterprise, anyone that operates with people in the equation where they need to understand how to live an organization's values. Our values come not from me or our leadership team sitting down over a weekend on a strategy retreat and then coming back and saying, all right, here's what we value. We actually believe that values that are created internally among the people that are part of an organization is what makes values strong and persistent, and something that will truly be embodied in the actions of every team member. The first value is to bring it every day. It's about this mindset of effort and achievement and growth and being present. There's a lot of mindfulness in that as well, about bringing the best part of you every day, but acknowledging the whole time that we're all human. And we're all going to walk through the door, walk to our bedroom and log into the computer wherever we're working from. Whatever happened to us in the previous 3 hours in our homes, in our personal lives, and balancing that awareness and giving grace to one another, but bringing everything you've got to the table. We have a value called have each other's backs. And that is about 100% supporting, lifting each other up when we're struggling. We started doing unlimited time off for our full-time people. We have in our quarterly conversations, and we sit down with every team member and we have a conversation with their manager about how can we remove obstacles? How can we make your job better? My job here is to serve you as your manager. It's that servant leadership mentality. Are you taking enough time for yourself? And the managers are very progressive at ensuring that people take the time that they need and encouraging them to go see the world and learn a different way of life. And we all know that there are some people that need to take time off to care for an aging parent or a sick child or whatever. We also have a policy that every employee in our organization gets 1 full day off a month, paid time, to go volunteer for an organization of their choice. And then the third value is to give a shit. It's about that depth of caring. We'll cite more often than not when they're calling each other out for doing something. We recognize team members every day. We have a daily stand-up for 11 minutes at 11:11 every day. We've been doing that for over 15 years.
Wow.
Everybody has the board in front of them, and names go on the board for living our values. And we've been doing that meeting literally every business day for a long, long time. And the one that gets called out the most is give a shit. And then once a quarter, we induct 4 new people into our Values Hall of Fame, and then they get written about in our annual yearbook when we publish that at the end of the year.